Hi, this is Katie from the Youth Services Department at Indian Trails Library, and I'm excited to introduce Beanstack, our online reading challenge software. Beanstack makes it super convenient to track reading challenge progress for your whole family. If you or your child have been participating in an ITPLD reading challenge, so that would be 1,000 books before kindergarten, tag along reading, Rockin' Readers, or 20 in 2020, the library has already created a Beanstack account for you. Visit our Beanstack site, indiantrailslibrary.beanstack.org, or download the Beanstack app to your mobile device. Click Sign In and enter your child's first name and last name and the default password Beanstack, Beanstack. Click Sign In to view your reader account. Click the reading logo in the middle of the screen to start tracking your child's progress. You can contact the Kids Desk at 847-459-4100 extension 4 with any questions or to find out about creating a family account. If you're new to ITPLD reading challenges, you can quickly create a new account yourself. Visit our Beanstack site at indiantrailslibrary.beanstack.org or download the Beanstack app to your mobile device. When you reach the landing page, click Register an individual or family. Click No, I have not previously used Beanstack to participate in a reading challenge. The system will ask who you would like to register. Now, we do have an awesome program for adults called Rise to the Challenge, which is a reading program where you can earn some great prizes and read along with your kids. For this option, click I am registering myself. Follow the form to enter your account information. So first name, last name, create a username for yourself, enter email and phone number, create a password that's at least 6 characters in length, select your branch, either the main library or the Prospect Heights branch, enter your age, grade level, which would be adult, and school, which would also be adult. Click Next, and you'll have the option to add another adult to your account, as well as your child. Enter your child's information under the Reader Information section. First name, last name, age, current grade, and current school. When you complete the registration process, you'll end up on your reader information page where you can view and track your progress as well as your child's. This would also be the place to download reading logs and find out about upcoming reading challenges. To register only your child, click I am an adult registering a child. You'll enter your contact information in the adult information section, and then your child's details in the reader's information section. You can always add more family members to your account or register yourself for the adult reading challenge later if you'd like. Once your account has been created, you can sign in to the Beanstack website or the Beanstack mobile app with your username and password. You can switch between reader profiles using the oval button in the upper right-hand corner. View challenge details by clicking on the Reading Challenge logo. Download your reading logs and track your reading progress. If you have any questions or need assistance with your account, please give the Kids Desk a call at 847-459-4100, extension 4. Thanks for trying out Beanstack, and good luck on your reading adventure.